y'all, it's your friend Jamie. I am ready to show y'all the fanciful pigs of Ayers Mini Farm today. We went out to their farm, and Judy Ayers, who just happens to be my sister and the lovely owner of these beautiful babies. This is Miss Pixie, her house pig. Can you believe that? And then there's Ginger and Bella. Bella is a potbelly cross. And then this pig right here is her lovable Scooter. He's no longer with us. He was born deformed and was her previous house pig. And she loved him for many, many sweet years. Ayers Mini Farm has been nationally known as a purveyor of beautiful pigs, although they are no longer breeding. This particular little baby was featured on Priscilla Valentine's Animal Planet show. Here are some facts about pigs I bet you didn't know. I know I didn't know all these facts, but I can rest assured that Judy's going to tell us some of these in just a few minutes. This little girl is Miss Ginger. She was just a toddler. Here's Miss Pixie all grown up. Miss Pixie loves a snack. That's the sound of a happy piggy girl. Well, I have some potbelly facts for you. Potbelly pigs are native to Southeast Asia, often known as the Vietnamese potbelly pigs. Since the 1980s, they were imported into Sweden, then Canada, and then to the United States as pets, and they are purely pets. They are not meat production animals. Pigs also are very, very smart. They can do obstacle courses. They can do walking up and down ramps. They can push bowling balls with their very strong snouts. They can learn to sit. They can learn to touch their noses to targets. They have a great memory. Once a pig knows something, it does not forget it. Pigs also have a very keen sense of smell. They only sweat on the tip of their nose. Look at those slimy little nosies that they have. But the rest of their body does not. And the very, very pretty little pigs are also prone to sunburns, so they can get sunburns very easily. Notice that they like to roll in mud, not because they're not clean animals, because on the contrary, pigs are very clean and orderly. They roll in the mud to coat their skin to keep it safe. Oh, look at our little pixie girl. Uh-oh, there goes McKenna May. There's Judy coaxing her little piggy. Come on. She doesn't think she can fit in that little container anymore. Pigs are very, very social animals, and their community is crucial to their happiness and well-being. Living with at least one other pig will help them form appropriate boundaries and better relationships with humans. Pigs in a group is called a sounder. I didn't know that. Pretty cool, huh? Well, despite the advertisements you'll see on social media and breeder websites, the concept of a teacup or mini pig is an absolute myth. These ultra tiny pigs go by many names, but they're all one and the same, potbelly pigs. The most healthy adult potbelly pigs weigh between 120 and 180 pounds. The pocket pig, or the mini pig, or the teacup pig, that myth that we just spoke about, those breeders will tell you to underfeed your pig, thus keeping the pig very tiny in stature, which sounds like a okay thing to do. However, a potbelly pig is a potbelly pig, and their internal organs and their structure, their bones, will grow to be the size of a regular sized pig. And when you micro feed them, as in starve them to keep them small, their insides outgrow their outsides, and it will be fatal. Please be aware of this when you're trying to get your own baby. It's just so sad when people do that. However, there's the other side of that. When pigs pack on too many pounds, they have fat rolls that might cover their eyes, and that would cause them to be blind. They can't see with that fat in the way. An appropriate diet and exercise, like these little obstacle courses, help exercise their minds, their keen minds, and helps them lose this excess weight, and they get to see the world again. The tusks of male pigs continue to grow throughout their lives, and they've got to be trimmed. Little piggy hooves must also be trimmed a few times a year, unless they're active enough to wear them down. Did you notice that Judy likes to paint the toenails of her little piggy girls? Oh my goodness, little pink piggy toes. Well, besides tusk and hoof care, they also need dental care. Oh my goodness. Can you imagine brushing your pig's teeth? And wellness checks also, they're needed to keep them looking and feeling their best. Pigs have bristles. They don't have actual hair or fur. And they shed these bristles at least once a year, though some pigs can shed twice a year. Notice they have the little mohawk that goes up their long little heads. Judy's little house pig, Scooter, that we saw earlier, his little mohawk, when you would rub his little back or his little belly, oh, he would fall over and let you love on him, and that little mohawk would stand up. Oh my goodness, he was the cutest thing. On average, these baby pigs, or these pigs in general, these potbellies, they live about 15 to 18 years, though some have lived to be about 20. Isn't that amazing? They are a commitment. They are not a, oh, isn't that cute kind of thing. Pigs are opportunistic omnivores, which means they'll eat pretty much anything given the opportunity. But they do better on a low sugar, high fiber vegetarian diet. High quality pig pellets is a foundation of that diet. The pigs are also fed fresh lettuce, peas, carrots, beans, green beans, seasonal treats like they love watermelon, oh my goodness, and zucchini and pumpkin. Pumpkin, they absolutely love it in the fall when people dispose of their extra pumpkins and they bring them to farms for the pigs. They just love those, and those are a natural dewormer for them. You can also give them to your dogs and let the dogs eat the pumpkin innards. That is a natural wormer, or dewormer, should I say. Isn't that awesome to learn? Well, pigs can breed when they're young as 4 to 6 months. They may be spayed or neutered at about 6 months old as well. Potbelly pigs were originally sold in the solid black variety. And now it's common to see pink, white, spotted pigs. White and pink pigs are susceptible to sunburn. And remember, they must always be protected from the sun. Oh my goodness, I think Miss Pixie's gonna go on through. Oh, no, she's backing out. She's not doing this. She has really outgrown her tunnel. Her mom and daddy can't get her through. They're like, come on, Pixie, for a cracker. You can get it for a cracker. Come on, girl. Well, pigs need an appropriate year-round shelter if they're not in the house all the time. Access to cozy pig houses that keep them dry and comfortable at all the seasons and all the different types of weather are necessary. Some houses for pigs even have heat and air. Can you imagine? Oh my goodness. Not all pig houses have to have heat and air conditioning. You can just pack their house full of hay for nesting. They love to burrow in the hay, and the hay will keep them warm. And with an abundance of caution, you can also use heat lamps. Pigs constantly communicate with each other using their extensive vocabulary, and they have distinct meanings for their little grunts and chittering. Mother pigs sing to their babies when they nurse. Oh, that is so sweet. Piglets learn to recognize their mother's voice and will run to her when she calls for them. Oh my goodness. Pigs form close bonds with people. They can be very affectionate and playful. Each pig has a very unique personality, but many love their belly rubs and massages. Oh, I think all piggy pigs love their belly rubs and massages. We're going to meet Miss Ginger here in a moment. And Miss Ginger, she's the sweetest thing. And if you start to rub her, she just falls right on over. Oh my goodness. Potbelly pigs can make awesome pets for people who adopt them with the right expectations and provide them with the right physical setup. Oh my goodness, maybe she's gonna make it this time, y'all. Come on, little girl. You can do this. You can do this. Oh, I just...
Go forward, baby.
Oh, don't back up. Don't back up. You can do this. Come on, piggy girl. Nope. She's back out. There's Miss Ginger. Oh, Miss Ginger is the sweetest thing. Now, she's a little bit bigger than our pixie girl. Yes. Oh, she's so sweet. She's about 2 months older. Oh, my goodness. We're going to let Judy tell us about these. Oh, my goodness. While we weren't looking. Oh, my goodness. Come on. Come on. You can do this. Pixie made it. Yay, Pixie. We're so proud of you, big girl. Well, I guess she wanted to show Ginger what was what. Aww.
But see, she can balance it on her nose. Oh, I love this pig. He's so sweet.
There's the other one. Some more of them. Go ahead and see what they do.
Good job. Did she go through the tunnel?
Yep. She went through the tunnel. Go good.
Hey, Mommy.
Scratch your belly, Kenna?
Can you scratch underneath here?
I think she wants to do it now.
There you go.
It's better.
There you go.
Oh my goodness. Uh-oh.
Pixie, all up on you, honey.
Yeah, Pixie.
They're the same age. They're the same age. Ginger is 2 months older than her.
She's a whole lot bigger.
Yeah.
I am so sorry about all this traffic. Y'all bear with us. They do live on a road. So sorry.
And mini pigs come in different sizes. A lot of people think they stay, 50 pounds, but they don't. This girl right here probably weighs 250 to 300.
So, what is considered a pocket pig?
It really isn't a pocket pig. People say they try to sell them as teacups or pocket pigs at 50 pounds and under. That's just not feasible though, because Pixie is small to me, and when you see miniature potbelly pigs, this is what size usually you see between this one and this one, which is about 150 to 250, 300-ish. They don't make really good inside pets. She comes in and out of the house. She has a place to sleep, but she potties outside. She likes to stay outside and eat grass all day. And
Hey!
unless it's dark or raining and cold, it's the only time she wants to be in the house.
Is she potty trained?
To go outside, not inside. I don't have a litter box or anything like that set up. Even she's potty trained still from being a baby. So like last year when we had the snowstorm, they were able to come in and stay inside, and then they'd go outside to potty and come back in. But she stays outside more on a permanent basis. She could be an inside, just like her, where she comes in and out. But I have another one, Bella.
I got to pet her.
Has to have a friend, so her and Bella are kind of sisters. They stay together. You want some?
How much do they eat?
Sit down, I give it to you. Okay.
I got to
It
pet.
just depends. She eats about 2 cups twice a day.
I have never actually petted Pixie, but I got to.
She eats anywhere from 2 to 3 cups, but they eat carrots and lettuce and bananas and grapes and just all kinds of different fruits and vegetables throughout the day as well.
Do they like other animals?
Yeah. Now, Bella, who's not up here, but
Yeah.
she's not a real,
I can grab her attention.
she's not really into dogs, and she would rather chase the dogs around. These two, though, like dogs. They love cats. Especially Pixie loves the cats. Isn't that right?
Where does she sleep in the house?
She sleeps in my room. She has Like it's a
Like a
dog
little
bed and a bunch of blankets. Pigs love to be warm and they love to cover up. Want your belly rubs? We've had plenty of these. Plenty of snacks, guys. How about belly rubs? How about that? There you go. There you go. You let Kenna rub your belly? Yeah. Ginger, she loves belly rubs and she sleeps most of the entire day, really.
Me too.
What is Pixie's sleep schedule like?
Well, right now in the winter, she has been coming in about 4 o'clock. After she eats, she goes to bed and sleeps until about 8 or 9 in the morning. And then she comes outside to play. And
Our purpose for going to Ayers Mini Farm today was to let y'all know about our beloved little porcine friends, the potbelly pig, and our family's love of them. But this will be the first time that McKenna will be getting her very own potbelly pig, and she is learning about them and how to care for them. And so we thought we'd share that with y'all. Like I said, they are not hey, let's get one of these. Let's live in town and get one of these. Although people do that, a lot of cities do not allow them to be within the city limits. They consider them a farm animal, and clearly they are not a farm animal, but they do need some room to roam, and that's usually not a good thing in town. If you, in fact, have a potbelly pig that you need to rehome and you're in the Texas area, there is a wonderful pig sanctuary called My Pig Field Life, and it's on Facebook. And I would greatly suggest that you give them a call or look them up and donate to their efforts. They have a great many pigs, many pigs, should I say. That is My Pig Field Life on Facebook, and they are doing a wonderful, wonderful job at their little sanctuary. In fact, in just the last 5 years, they've rescued 350 pigs. This facility is in great need of expansion. In fact, that's what they're currently doing. It's absolutely necessary for them to expand. Well, y'all, it's your friend Jamie, and I have so loved sharing this experience with you today. If you like what you see, and I know you do, please subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you'll know anytime we do something cray-cray. Don't forget to put a little love tap on that like button too, and leave me a comment because I want to hear from you. Bye, y'all.